What's going on, everybody? It's your boy JJay Vlogs and Justice Lunk, and in this video is going to be my very first unboxing. As you can tell, I got a magnetic case for my iPad Pro. Honestly, it is my first case and I'm very excited to open it. As you can tell, I am flabbergasted of how big this thing is already. Like, even outside of the box, like inside the box still, it's big, and I can tell it's big. And yeah, I was really expecting it to be big, but still, it's very amazing. I'm not gonna lie. Everybody knows that satisfying feeling when you just open something new from Apple. You have that plastic on, and it feels amazing. Take it off, man. It feels amazing. In this part, you can see that I am twirling around, showing you guys the case. And honestly, 1 out of 10, I give it a 9. I love the feeling of it. It feels way more grippier than my other case, and so far, I love it. At this point, I thought I broke it, but I just had to bend the top of it, and that's how I adjusted. So these manuals, I didn't really care for it. I knew how to do it already. It's basic common sense, so you know, I just didn't really care for it. But as the time I'm doing it, I just want to talk about how I want to start doing tech things with my vlogs, because you know it goes with it, and different type of content creation and B-roll shots with it. So yeah, I really want to do that stuff now, and you know, you guys let me know how this goes out. At this point, I'm feeling the keybinds; they feel amazing, and I'm connecting my iPad for the first time. Boom! It was great. So enjoy these B-roll shots and have a good day. Leave a like, comment, subscribe. It's your boy JJay Vlogs. You're just lunking out.